Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is card day and we are making a fun fold card, and it's probably the easiest fun fold card you've ever made. Super quick and easy and so fun to make. I think I can go crazy making these. So this is the card. It's like a pop-up card. So it folds like this, and it does fit in a regular standard envelope that when you fold it down, but then it could be displayed when you give this. This one, it says rainy days are better with you, and I am using the Playing in the Rain bundle for this. I'm using the designer series paper as well, which is this designer series paper. You can make this super easy and just cut these out, the little animals out, with your dies and use them too. But I wanted to color them, so, and it's using the thick basic white, so it's a lot sturdier than just the designer series paper. But if you want to make it easy and make a bunch of these, you can cut them out of the designer series paper and it'll make it really easy. But isn't it cute? I hope you like this one because it's one that I think I could make over and over again. Alright, so this is what I'm sharing today. This is the Playing in the Rain bundle. So this is the bundle right here. And the dies are Playing in the Rain dies, and it has everything you need for this. I cut out some of the, I didn't stamp the clouds, but I did cut out the clouds. And I'm using the flowers. I'm using this bunny and then this one. You can use any of them. There is like an umbrella also in the dies if you want to just cut out the umbrella. I put the little umbrella here, this little one, but they have a bigger umbrella, I believe, in here as well. No, there's butterflies, there's this little bridge, there's this little piece of wood, these are little grass, there's a lot of extras in this, a kite. So there's so much in here, and it cuts out these little animals as well. Alright, so this is what I'm using for it. When you buy the bundle, if you are new Stampin' Up to Stampin' Up, you save 10% by buying the dies and the stamp set, or the stamp set and a punch. Alright, let's get going with this. This may be a little bit longer, but it's super easy. I'm going to speed through the coloring because y'all have seen me color so many times. I'll speed through it, or else this is going to be a lot longer. Alright, so what you're going to need for this is a piece of 6.5 by 4. I'm using the thick basic white. And then I'm matting my little front pieces. So these are my matte pieces, but for the little inside pieces, this one's 5 by 1 and this is a 5 by 3/4, and then the matte piece is 1 by 4 3/8 and 3/4 by 4 3/8. And then my DSP, I'm using this little rain piece. It's the back side of this, and it has a little reflective. I don't know if you can see it in here, but it's real reflective. It's really cute, this paper. And this piece is 4 by 4 3/8. All of this will be in the inspiration sheet. So for those of you who are new, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. There is an inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com with all the measurements for all my projects. Alright, let's get started with this. It's really easy. We're going to color first and get these all stamped. So you want to use Memento Black if you're using blends or Copics or anything like that. And we are going to stamp the little bunny. They're so darn cute. And then I'm also going to stamp our little fox here. I need to do it this way. This is too big. If you're new and you have a bigger stamp, just flip it over and stamp it this way. It's so much easier. And we're going to do him. And then I'm going to do the sentiment, but I'll do that. Let me grab another piece here. I think I cut a piece. So I'm going to use this piece right here. It says rainy days are better with you. And what size is this? This is 3/4 for your sentiment, 3/4 inch. All right, I think that's, oh no, we didn't do the flowers. Okay, so let's do the flowers and the little umbrella. Now you don't have to put all these pieces on if you want. You can just do it how you like, but I thought it turned out super cute. I hope that you like it. It's really a fun fold. I've seen different versions of this all over YouTube. So the girl I got it from, I think her channel was In Love Art. I'll post it in here so you know. You can go check hers out. All right, so we're using for this a lot of blends here. We're using copper clay, crumb cake, balmy blue, bubble gum, or bubble bath. I tell you, I always want to say bubble gum. Berry burst and lemon lolly, daffodil delight, and this one is Lost Lagoon. All right, so I'll zoom in for you, but I'm going to speed through this part because it's a lot. Okay, so everything is colored on here. It's so fun to color. These are so darn cute. So I'm going to zoom back out. Let me get in a little bit closer. There we go. So I have all the dies out here. Now the little bow that goes on her hair, it cuts out 3 at a time. So I already have a couple extra ones here, but I'm going to grab that one, and then this one will cut him out. This will cut the bunny out, and it doesn't cut the puddle out. And then I'm going to grab another little extra piece so I can cut the clouds out on here. I'm only going to use 2 of the clouds, so I'm going to use the bigger ones there. And then the die to cut out the flowers is this one right here. And then we have the one that cuts out the umbrella right there. So I'm going to run these all through the cut and emboss, and I will be right back. All right, everyone, I've got everything cut out. Look how adorable these are. I just love these little characters. They're just so dang cute. All right, we're going to set this aside, and we are going to make our card. You're going to be surprised how easy this card is. I'm going to use my trimmer to score. And we are going to score our 6.5 by 4 piece at 1 inch on each end. So I'm going to score that, turn it around and score that. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with that next. And then for these, you are going to score these at 1/4 inch on each end. So you want to do it on both these white pieces. Okay, so that is all our scoring. I almost forgot this part I was going to show you. All right, so these are our little flaps that are going to fold forward like this. But I'm going to cut these at an angle. A few people left it straight, but the one girl I watched, she cut a little corner part off. So I am going to just cut a little bit of a corner off. And then you want to just flip this to this side, and I'm going to mark it with my pencil so I know where to cut this one so they're even on both sides. And then you're just going to line this up in your groove as well and cut that. So you have it, the sides are angled like that. All right, okay, so they're all angled up like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead, these I'm just gonna use my fingers, and we're going to fold those back. And then I'm going to use some wet glue, and we are going to glue these little mats on here. You can do these all, like if you want to just use balmy blue and do the whole thing balmy blue, you can do that. But I liked it better doing it this way, and it gives it a little bit more stability. So this one is the 1-inch piece. And then we're going to mat this one. And this is the 3/4 inch piece. And using wet glue helps you to be able to line it up real nice. I like lining it up really good. All right, so now let's mat the back of this. So the raindrops are coming down that way, so we are going to mat that. In the center here. And that's our little raining background. And then we're going to add some tear and tape. I think you need to use tear and tape and not wet glue for this. This is just the best. And this is 1/4 inch, so it fits on these ends really good. So you need to put it on all of these ends here. So 2 on this one and 2 on your smaller piece. Alright, I'm going to get my little pointer here so I can get these off. And the first one, you're going to put this one on first. This one is going to line up with the edge here. So you're going to line this part right with the bottom edge right here. Like right there. Don't take this part off yet because we're going to do this side, this bigger one. This one's going to peek out behind it. And then this one's going to go in the middle. From the score line, it's going to go in the middle to here. Line it up with the bottom. So you want to make sure these are straight. So now we're going to remove this one. We're going to do the big one first, but I'm going to remove both of these. And we are going to line this one up in the center. Just want to make sure it's lined up at the bottom, and then this one is going to go right here. So look how easy that is, y'all. And then this will just fold down like that when you're mailing. So that is it. Now you can add whatever you like, but we're going to put these adorable little figures on here from the Plane in the Rain. I did pop him up. Let's glue on the clouds first. So we're going to put one over here and one at the top here. And I'm popping him up with a couple dimensionals just to give him a little bit more dimension because he's going to be on the very back piece. So this one you want like right here. I want to move my cloud up though, have it down too far. Okay, so he's going to be right there on the bottom. The little bunny we're going to glue to this one in the back. So I'm just going to add some wet glue to his bottom paw here. He's going to go right here. Or she is. We forgot to put her bow on though. You have to hold this for a minute because it is wet glue. Let's put the bow on. Her little ear there. Okay, isn't she cute? And it's so cute. And then this one is going to go behind here. It's going to go on this one, but behind. So you're going to put it all on the bottom here. And you do, again, you're going to have to hold it a little bit. We're going to add our sentiment to the front. Right here. And then we're going to add our little umbrella right at the side. And it just create a little scene. It's so cute and so fun. Look how fun those are, y'all. It's really fun to do. Here's the other one. You can add any of the animals that you want with this because there's quite a few you can cut out, but aren't they so cute? So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, I have a new August host code. Can you believe it's August already? Oh my goodness. Y'all, the new mini catalog for holiday is going to be out in September. It's coming. It's coming very quickly. So we are going to be in the holiday mood here pretty soon. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.